Hi, my name is Neela Wickremesinghe, and I'm the Director of Restoration and Preservation here at Greenwood Cemetery. So we're here in front of one of my favorite spots in the cemetery, over on Vernal Avenue, the Garrison Mausoleum. This will be our spring Bridge to Crafts Careers Workforce Development Program site, and through donations, whether that's just a check in the mail or coming to one of our programs, you help support and allow work like this to happen in the cemetery. Let's take a little closer look at what we're going to do. For this year's program, we chose the Garrison Mausoleum, one, because it needs the work. Obviously, it's a lot cleaner than it was last week, and two, because it's a great learning opportunity for our students. We have marble, granite, some metal. We're all going to be able to really look at each of these different materials and see how we can restore them back to their original grandeur. This Garrison Mausoleum was constructed at the end of the 1800s. Former San Francisco Mayor C.K. Garrison is interred here with his family, and it's a really wonderful revival style, sort of Orientalist style building here on Vernal Avenue. So no matter what your favorite spot is here at the cemetery, it takes care and effort and money to keep that spot looking great. Whenever I do a tour or whenever I have folks come out to my shop, they ask me, who pays for this work? Well, really, I say you do. Every time you come out and choose to donate to the cemetery, every time you allow us to give you some great programming or come to an after-hours tour, you support this work through every single dollar that you send us, and we really appreciate it.